You agree that it's a strange name for a coin that is practically electronic. Indeed, it seems to sense that the distinctive name would be matched with the intriguing highlights. The catchy moniker is derived from the nickname SHIB, the mascot of the Shiba Inu breed of Japanese dogs. In this way, the pet's primary trait, unwaveringness, is also attached to it for every one of its financial donors. Shiba Inu, a variant of the ERC20 token, is a completely secure and decentralized image token. It combines all of the significant traits of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin into one in SHIB. Before we move any further, welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Specialized Shiba Inu investigation. At the time of writing, the continuing cost of a Shiba Inu is waiting at $0.0000112, with a total supply of 549,063,278,876,302. This cryptocurrency has a 24-hour trading volume of around $180,881,298. In terms of market position, Shiba Inu's market capitalization reached $6,160,667,566. Shiba Inu prices are 1.39% more expensive today than they were yesterday. Let's look at the specialist test before estimating the cost of the Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's price has only increased since it first appeared on cryptocurrency exchanges, with no unanticipated floods or plummeting twistings, until it reached its record-breaking high value on October 28, 2021. Up until the benefit booking sentiments reached the SHIB market, the bulls had some strong points. The Shiba token, like certain other digital currencies, is utterly unpredictable and defenseless against market fluctuations. The highest price SHIB has ever attained is $0.00003436 in the year 2022, which was near the beginning of the year. From that point on, the token has only been fluctuating in a downward direction, or on the most optimistic side, in a sideways range. Additionally, the current cost of Shiba Inu is very close to the previous cost level from when the upturn began. Administrative adjustments in the US took care of rates have made it more difficult for SHIB costs to swiftly recover or even begin the upswing. Our SHIB cost estimate indicates that the key advantage is that financial supporters and dealers may perceive a purchase as a lucrative opening for the currency due to decreased expenses. Expectations for Shiba Inu SHIB value in 2023. Our Shiba Inu value predictions are determined by many machine-based techniques that examine the General Strength Index (RSI), Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD), Moving Average MAMA, Average True Range (ATR), and Bollinger Bands (BB) for each digital currency. We can try to predict Shiba Inu's bearing by processing this data using our AI invention. What recent events might have an impact on the price of Shiba Inu tokens going forward? The detailed cost estimate makes it clear that despite the frequent changes in the value of SHIB tokens and significant risk, the automated SHIB resources are expected to be productive and exhibit a positive trend. However, since SHIB is unquestionably not a crypto that is decided mechanically, it lacks sound fundamentals. Most of the time, it is based on rumors and information from the digital currency market. The main factors that might affect the symbolic price include memecoin awareness, the launch of ShibaSwap, inclusion on major dealer platforms, businesses accepting SHIB as payment, or perhaps financial supporters eating tokens. Is this a fantastic opportunity to buy Shiba Inu Coin? Given the anticipated increase in the price of digital currencies, now is a fantastic time to buy SHIB. Shiba Inu's SHIB Cost activity is anticipated to be much more grounded moving forward, even though it is down. By 2025, will Shiba Inu Coin reach $1? Shiba coins have experienced significant growth, but our Shiba Inu pricing estimate suggests that by 2025, the imaged currency may not cause a stir in the community. By 2025, Shiba Inu could reach the $0.00005 threshold. In 5 years, how much will Shiba Inu be worth? Future predictions for Shiba Inu indicate an upward trajectory with a usual typical cost of $0.0000404 after 5 years. Shiba Inu's highest peak is predicted to be around $0.0000443 in 2026, while its lowest peak is predicted to be around $0.0000365. By 2030, how much will Shiba be worth? Shiba Inu might be valued at more than 350% of current costs by 2030. The cost of the SHIB is anticipated to range between $0.000165 and $0.000152, respectively. It is anticipated that when SHIB's price rises, the market cap would essentially increase as well. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.